Okay, may I request everyone to please stand up for the prayer. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, once again, good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Rias. Good morning, Miss Asampot.
Okay, you may now take your seat. So now let's first check your attendance. When you call your name, say present. Arcelias.
Present.
Okay, may Bato.
Present.
Lipait.
Present.
Ilana. Ako.
Present.
Palingkit.
Present.
Krista. Lebria. Bitania.
Present.
Maito.
Present.
Mipieza. Olivar.
Present.
Rosales. Sartaguda.
Present.
Tamayo.
Present.
Tinior.
Present.
Phyllis.
Present.
Okay, very good class now. Since no one is absent today, so before we start our new discussion, let us have first our energizer. So mag-energize sa for this morning. Everybody stand up. Okay. In front of you, I hope everyone know that, right? We have our classroom rules. Okay, sa classroom rules ni Miss Diaz, na ay puno ka buong bilis lamang buwag. Look, listen, and learn. Sa imong pagtanaw, dapat naminaw ka. Sa imong pagpaminaw, dapat nakasabot ka. And also, while do not use cell phone during our class time. And also, keep all your things inside your bag not related to our subject. Understood? Okay, nasabtan ra? Okay, very good. So now let's have first the goals. Okay. What was our last discussion or last meeting na discuss? Kinsa pa may naka-remember? Kinsa to? It's all about? Okay, very good. Our last topic is all about computation, taxable income, and tax due. Okay, so by computing, we have the four following. Now we need to compute what are those. First, very good, gross pay, taxable income, withholding tax, and lastly, net pay. Exactly. And what are those nga akong i-list? SSS, pag-ibig, PhilHealth, and non-taxable income. Okay, so refresh ba ang tanan? Okay, so Number last, what?
1.
Okay, all the group 1, please stand up. Okay, all the group 1, please stay here in the right side. And all the group 2, please stay here in the left side. Okay. So, ang inyong buhaton, each group will arrange the taxpayers in a proper order based on traits that are given to each group. Then, each group, so kung kinsay makaunang mahuman sa inyong grupo, then sakto ang answer, I will give it additional points. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so group 1. So you need to brainstorm your group mates, no? So I will give it 2 minutes to brainstorm. Okay, are you done brainstorming your group mates? Okay, so you may now start. Please record. Group 1, you will receive 100 points. But don't you worry, Group 2, because I will be giving to you 50 points. Okay, so please go back to your proper seat. Group 1 answer is correct, and also the Group 2 answer is correct, no? But the first, una na Group 1 na nakuman ang Group 1. So, the Group 1 will receive 100 points, and the Group 2, 50 points. Okay, this time, let's have individual activity. Okay, direction. Find out what is being described by the following statement by choosing the correct word or words inside the box. Then write the answer into 1/2 size of paper. So I will be giving to you 2 minutes to answer, and after that, let's have a checking. Okay, you may now start answering. No need to copy, ha? Answer directly. Okay, are you done? Check out your answer. Exchange your paper to your seatmate. Okay, and write corrected by. Okay, let's first answer for number 1. Who would like to answer? Anyone? Yes, got the back, girls. What is your answer? Okay, very good. The answer for number 1, theoretical justice. For number 2, yes.
The wording of taxation should be proportional.
Okay, that's right. Taxation for number 2. How about for number 3?
A compulsory financial charge or some other type of duty imposed on a taxpayer, an individual or legal tax.
Okay, exactly. For number 4?
The purpose of taxation is to provide the proper funding needed to run the government. Primary purpose.
Okay, primary purpose. And lastly, number 5?
Also known as the regulatory purpose of taxation, secondary purpose.
Secondary purpose. Okay, very good. So, write your score and return to pass it in front without standing. So, class, based in our activity here, do you encounter difficulty in completing the charts of taxpayers?
No.
No? Is correct. So, dili ra kay lisod para sa inyo. Sa inyo ra kay ang inyong answer kay correct. And also, what are the 7 taxpayers?
Corporations, resident citizen, non-resident citizen, resident alien, non-resident alien engaged in trade or business, non-resident alien not engaged in trade or business.
Okay, so are you familiar with those words? Familiar ba? Discussing by last meeting? And because you're familiar with that words, can you share your idea taxation. So now, let's talk about the purposes of taxation. So this class, this is your last topic or discussion to your subject of FABM 2. Mauni ang last ninyong discussion sa FABM 2. So, here are our objectives. Okay, the first is, what's the principle of taxation? The basis is the National Internal Revenue Code of the Philippines of 1997. Okay, the first is, taxation is a process in which the government collects revenue, legitimate taxpayers to defray its expenses. Okay, the taxation is used to provide for us, for the government, right? So, kanang ipanggastos sa gobyerno, kanang ipanggastos sa gobyerno, kanang mga bridges, skyway, pagtukod o eskwelahan, hospital, kana siya, ang gasto na niya class, gikan na siya sa ato ang taxpayers money. Okay, so like for example, kamo, nag-edad mo 18, mataas. Kung kamo nag-work na mo sa trabaho sa kumpanya, so you need to mag-asikaso yun mo na mukuha mo o tax identification number sa inyong kuan para ikaw dapat baka bawasan sa inyong sweldo. Kung ikaw karapat dapat na bawasan kay today mag class ang mga minimum wage earners na walang ini-impose na tax. And the second one is the income tax, defined as the tax of the net income or the entire income realized in one taxable year. Okay. So, as you can remember, no, as last meeting na atong i-discuss, we need to compute the taxable income. Okay, yung mga specific grades na to, mao na ang we use to rates para ma-compute na to ang income tax. And the last will be the tax is the amount of money given by the individuals and businesses as revenue for the government to use for its plans, programs, and project beneficial for the country. So therefore, ang ginimpusan sa tax, not only for individual, but also for businesses or negosyo. Okay, understood? Okay, the next slide will be, we have the two purposes of taxation. What are those? First,
Primary purpose, funding.
which is funding. Okay, everybody please read.
Primary purpose of taxation is to provide the process funding needed to run the government. The money collected from taxes will finance the projects that will promote the general welfare of our people and be able to finance its own resources. Example of taxes imposed for raising revenues are income and business taxes.
Okay, so class, naatay duha ka purpose sa taxation. Ang first kay ang primary purpose. So primary gani first, pinaka-una, which is funding. So this is the first primary purpose na nganong hinungdan ug nganong naatay taxation. Of course, para punduhan ang mga gastusin sa government. Okay? And the second one will be
Secondary purpose,
which is regulatory. From the word secondary purposes, which is regulatory. First na siya room control, no? So first is by imposing high custom duties or taxes on imported goods, local products made in the Philippines will remain competitive. Okay, kung nag-impose ka tax sa imported goods, so yung mga sarili as a Pilipino, no, magiging competitive sa pagbaligya, no? And also, palitong sa ato ang mga as a Pilipino gihapon para dili ta malugi maong naatay produces no nga gitawag, kaya nag-impose ng duties or taxes by imported goods. And the second one will be by imposing progressive taxes will reduce the inequalities the wealth and income of our people have. A progressive system of the taxation means that those who earn more will be subjected to higher income taxes and those who earn less. Okay, so it means here class, the taxation will reduce the inequalities. So kung ikaw, like for example, kung ikaw nagtrabaho ka, nagkita ka og higher, of course, ang imuhang bayaran nga taxes, higher. And then, kung gamay gali mo kita, gamay sa imuhang bayaran nga taxes. Okay? And the third one, by increasing taxes, the government will mitigate the effect of an inflation. Okay, it means kapag ang tao, gibuhat sa tao, palit ra kay palit no. So, as you can remember sa inyong I know nakagi naman sa inyong applied economic, which is law of supply, no, demand. Kung ang tao kay gastos ra gastos, palit ra kay palit, kung tendency ang mga palitonon mo taas. Okay, very good. That should be ang taxes ay tumataas ang price. So, we need to impending the inflation, then mitigate the effect of inflation. And we have here the example for secondary purposes. So, first is the excess taxes for sin products at cigarettes and alcohol. So, natag-impose nga pag-hire sa mga taxation sa first na paan, cigarettes. So, higher para mabawasan or gamay na ang mo gamit and also mamalit sa mga alcoholic. And the second will be amusement taxes for amusement places such as night, day clubs, cockpits, and racetracks. So, usapod nga rin class, meron tayong tax na gi-impose dagdag doon ang mga sweet products, mga tamis. So, kuan gihapon siya kanang room control gihapon siya. And then increase taxes in period of prosperity to curb spending power and help inflation. So, okay, ganina akong giingon no. Kung ang tao daghan og kwarta, like for example, kung kamo daghan mo kwarta, so tendency inyo ang buhaton, palit ra kay palit gud mo, gastos ra kay gastos. So, ang mga prices magkaanab og taas. Okay, sa mga inyong mga palitonon. And the lastly will be the granting tax incentives to promote new pioneer industries and encourage growth of local industries. Of course, dapat kita po ninyo muhatag po ta og mga incentives or binabawasan ta sa atong tax to encourage the specific of local industries. So, kung ganina, no, mauta kong giingon, kung gamay inyong kita, of course, gamay sa ang inyong bayaran nga taxes. Then, kung dako sa inyong bayaran nga taxes. So, therefore, mas marami man dyan, kung gamay man yung taxes na atong ibayad, daghan man yung mga Pilipino nga maka-trabaho. So, and that it will be that meron tayong nagitawag na incentives. Okay, so we have the three basic principles of a sound tax system. The first one will be
Fiscal policy.
the second one will be and the third one.
Administrative.
Okay, first is the fiscal adequacy. Everybody please read.
The government should make sure that the amount of revenue collected is enough to support its expenses. This will entail proper planning and budgeting on the part of our government officials.
Okay, so fiscal adequacy. So from the word fiscal adequacy, so dapat nato i-sure ang pagpakulik sa mga taxes. No, and dapat siya enough para makuha ng atong mga gastusin sa government. So kung pagagani, dili siya kuwangan. And the second one will be theoretical justice. Everybody, please read.
The burden of taxation should be proportionate to the ability of the taxpayer to pay. Proportionality does not mean equality in taxes to be paid. Persons with different amounts of income should
Okay, mao to ganina no, theoretical justice. Kung gamay gani imong bayaran nga taxes, of course gamay din kung dako sa imong bayaran nga taxes kay today man din class kung individual person ang ato ang paghisgutan no. As you can remember our last discussion, kung atong kita 200,000 paabos, unsay tawag gid ana? Ato ta mag-base sa trade law. Kinsay naka-remember, unsay tawag kung 200,000 pababa ang ato ang pan. Unsay tawag ato? Okay, very good. That is tax exempt. Okay. And the third one will be administrative feasibility. Everybody, please read.
It means that tax laws, rules, and regulations must be capable of being administered and complied with. Citizens must live as
Okay, it means no, masabtan sa mga citizen kung asa gikan padung ang ato ang mga kapakinabangan or makuha nato sa taxes na atong gibayad para mag-comply ang mga citizen. Okay, understood? Okay, questions? Okay, class? And did you understand my discussion about purposes of taxation? Okay, so can you share your idea or sabi sa akong discuss all or in your own opinion or idea, can you share your idea about taxation, the whole? Okay, anyone? Yes, Libato?
Sa taxation lang, the government collects revenues from its citizens.
Yes? That's it? Okay, that is correct. Okay, another kasi Muan? Okay, very good. Again, what are those two purposes of taxation?
primary purpose and secondary purpose.
Okay, exactly. And lastly, what are the three basic principles of some tax system?
Fiscal adequacy, theoretical justice, and administrative feasibility.
Okay, very good, no? So, namina rajud ang tanan. And now, questions? Pangutana? Clarification? Violent reaction? Okay, wala ras? Okay, since you don't have a questions, let's have an activity. So this activity, I will group you into 3. Okay, come. Yeah, let's start.
Okay. 2.
One and last. Okay, all the group 1, please stand up. So please stay here in the right side and please form in a small circle. And also for the group 2, stay here in the center. And the group 3, please stay here in the left side. Your activity, in your own opinion with your group mates, what are the benefits of taxation? You may add as more. This is Harino. As you can see the screen, circle. Dili na po circle in bahaton. You can ini style of bahaton pwede. Triangle ini. So group 1, write your answer here. Group 2 and group 3. Okay, so I will give in 5 minutes to answer. And after that, I will call one student, one representative for each group to share your answer to your classmates. Understood? Nasabtan ka? Okay, you will now start. No, much better, no? You will add more. Okay, 4 minutes left. Okay, 3 minutes left. minutes left. Time's up. Okay, so let's start with the group 1. Lesson group 2 and group 3. Lesson to the group 1.
Taxpayers defray the government's expenses.
Para nang may utang ang Pilipinas sa laing nasod, pwede na siya kanang mga retire nga mga maestra, na sila yung pension.
Taxes pay the principal interest of government.
Okay, very good. And how about from the group 2? Here, the group 2, right? Okay, yes, Mibako. Lesson group 3 and group 1. Lesson group 1 and group 2. Okay, yes. Read it out.
Benefits of taxation. First, taxes quantification. Since magkano sa education sa public eskwelahan.
Yes.
Ito na kay taxes public infrastructure and services.
So,
Mariana
3.
ang tax kay bukal na sa mga Mariana infrastructure na hindi mo madalang mga roads. Taxes are used for social development and welfare programs. Mariana programs tungkol sa mga health and mga tuition sa education. Dapat kay taxes fund welfare and medical infrastructure para sa mga hospital para kay mga kay taxes.
That's it. Okay, exactly. No, very good. And how about from the last group? Group 3.
Ay welfare program.
Lesson group 1
Sama
group.
ko ang minutes kanya.
Yes.
Taxes fund the government public transport system, including rail and road transport. Parang din siya guys sa mga kuwan ng government guys. Ano mga kuwan mga sada?
Yes.
Para magpatuloy ng kagalian. Taxes station. So, sama na sa public. Kanang kuwan, ang mga niya sa mga tumigamit.
Yes.
Taxes are also held to donate or charity people. Kanang kanya kayo mag-donate sa kanang taon. Sa kanang kuwan ba? Sa mga orphanage ng mga tao nga nagtrabaho niya i-donate.
That's it.
Wala to.
Okay. Also correct. No, very good. Group 1, group 2, and group 3. All of your answer is correct. So I'll give you 50 points to each group. No, right here. Do not forget to write your name below. Okay, pass in front. And please go back to your proper seat. Your church properly. And at this time, let's have another activity. This activity, class individual activity. Okay, so lesson before we will answer, I will discuss first the following rubric. So the first is criteria, overall impact, answer the questions, and neatness and readability. 5 points, excellent. So the student was able to answer correctly. Then, no erasure, walay erasure, then masabdan o maklaro ang ihang agi. And 4 points very good. So the student were almost answered question correctly. But naay gamay ra nga buwang sa 4 points. And also, kana has gamay gihapon nga erasure, na erasure nga gamay din maklaro gihapon o masabtan ang iyahang agi. Then 3 points, good but still good do better. So answer the question correctly, but still missing the whole point na good nga missing ang iyahang answer. And of course, has a lot of erasure that hanag erasure din dili na kayo masabtan or maklaro ayang agi. No? So 2 points, answer the question without trying. So the paper is napuno na yun hugaw dili na yun maklaro. Then 1 point, so we need to put the effort. No? Then and also hugaw na yun kayo, di na yun masabtan. Okay, nasabtan na follow round rubrics. Okay, so here, so direction, read and understand the below. Write your answer in 1/2 size of paper. Okay, and after that, I will give you 5 minutes to answer. And after that, I will call 3 students to explain answers. So by holding the students no, mag-play ko of music. Then once mo-stop na gani ang music, when nag-pass mo sa battle, if it's last na nag-hold sa battle, it means siyaan mo, explain. Only 3 students lang. Okay, understood? Okay, you may now start answer. Okay, 2 minutes left. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, time's up. Let's start. Okay, start. Okay. Please stand up. Wait your answer. Okay, very good. Isa to yung last na to. Sopti, ang batol. Ito last na nag-hold sa batol. Okay, answer. Can you explain your answer? Okay, Galina, yes, which is your answer is no, no? No? Okay. Okay, that is correct. And another last one to explain.
No, because the purpose of the centralized taxation and abolish the taxing power of all government units. It is constitutional privileges after the presence of the Constitution. It provides a system of distributing and decentralization, allowing local governments to change their own taxes to advise and
Exactly. So very good. So today, let's pass your answer in front so that you worry mo sa wala na explain because your effort no. So pass it in front. And now let's have your assignment. Write your assignment in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute to copy and answer. And do not forget to submit your assignment or turn in your assignment on G-Class. I will be posted later as an submit or turn in. Do not forget, everyone. Okay, are you done? Okay, you will now take your seat, everyone. For our dismiss you, everybody please read the quote.
Life is like accounting. Everything must be balanced.
Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.
Goodbye.